Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video today, I'm going to be going over two apps that I've been recently using to which will help you make your own memes. So if you ever wanted to learn how to make a meme or how you see other people make those cool, hilarious memes online, Instagram, all that, I'm going to show you two apps that they probably use in order to create those memes. They are free to use, so you don't have to worry about purchasing anything. I'm going to be going over apps for Android devices in this video. I will make another video separately going over apps that are suitable to Apple iOS users. Now on your Android device, what you want to do is go to the Play Store, type in meme in the search bar, search for it, and the first app that we're going to look at is Meme Generator, and it should have free in the title. Now with this app here, you have a lot more options as far as customization goes. So you really have a lot of different things that you can do when it comes to creating a meme with this specific app. And I'm not going to go into all of what you can do, that might be another separate video, but I'm just going to be going over the basics of how you create a meme. Now the second app that we're going to look at is going to be Mordern Meme Maker. This one is much more simplified, straightforward, and to the point. So if you're really not looking into trying to do the super edits and all of that, I would suggest using this app first. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, as soon as you open the app, yes, you're going to have your ads at the bottom. You can pay to get rid of those, but this is free. So as soon as you open the app, you're going to be greeted with this kind of setup for a home page. You have a meme automatically defaulted, and as you can see your caption here, you can go ahead and type in your caption. It's going to automatically produce the white border. So if you hit preview, as you can see, after you hit preview, this is what your meme is going to look like. From here, you can go ahead and save it to your device, your gallery, or you can share it online, whatever you want to do. Now, something else, another option that we have, if you're not satisfied with what's defaulted, you can go in the upper right hand corner, select meme, and as you can see, you have a wide variety of different popular memes that you can choose from to edit. So it's in the same format. If you want to choose one of these memes, let's go ahead and type in your caption, preview it, make sure it looks okay, save it, and you're good to go. Now if you're typing something really long, it's going to automatically format the text for you, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting. Or if you want, you can just go ahead, hit enter or whatever is on your keyboard, and you can type a second line. Preview it, and it'll kind of fit it in there for you. Now another thing that you can tweak, if you go in the upper left hand corner, select that little icon there of the three lines. Make new meme and community memes aren't available to use yet. The app is kind of brand new, so you can't do anything with those tabs, but if you select settings, you can enable a watermark. So if you go by something, or if you want, of course I hope you would want credit for your app, then you can click on alias, type in your name, hit OK, and it's going to show up on the meme. You can also edit the color of your alias name, whether you want it to be black or white. You can edit the font size, how large you want it to be, as well as the text transparency. Also on here, you can edit the font size of what your meme title is, and a few other options for you to select from down here when they become available. So far as I'm making this video, these are the only other options that you can make as far as tweaking your meme. So really, in short, you can edit your caption size and enable a watermark. And that's really how you use this app. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments for me. I'll do my best to answer them. Okay, and this is actually something that I forgot to mention. If you're in the Mordern Meme Maker app and you go to, I guess, what we call the home page, so hit select meme. Looking at the two little circle options there at the bottom, the first one with the question marks is basically like a random choice, where if you click on that, you'll get a random meme. And if you go back to the home page, the second option with the photographs, this is how you upload your own meme for you to tweak and edit. So you can upload your own memes. So the second app that we're going to take a look at is Meme Generator Free. Make sure that's in the title. And like I said earlier, this one is a little bit more, I wouldn't say in depth, but you have a lot more customization options that you can do. So this is kind of the home page. You're greeted with preloaded memes. And as you can see in the lower right hand corner, you can upload, if you have a meme that you don't see on the app, like a picture like Steve Harvey face, then you can upload your own meme and customize it. But this app here has more preloaded memes than the other app. So let's go ahead and click on one and take a look and see what we have. So clicking on one of the memes, as you can see, you can edit your text. Or if you don't want double text, you can get rid of one and just have one line. You can also place on the memes different emojis. You can also add a meme onto your meme. So like the Michael Jordan face or a chat bubble. So this is pretty cool. And if you didn't know what I did, in the bottom right hand corner I selected sticker. That's how I got to that page. Now some other customization options while you're on a meme. Looking in the upper right hand corner, that first little box there, it brings you to the border. You can customize your border as well as the border color. And the next option looks like you can crop. And then the last little option looks like 3 dots. Basically reset everything or rotate the picture. And in the lower left hand corner, you can undo everything that you did to the picture if you want to start over from scratch. So that's pretty much how you open up and edit a pre-made meme, all the features that you have on there. Now if you go to what we call the navigation panel in the upper left hand corner, select that little icon with the 3 lines, you have other options to choose from. So you can see all memes, new memes, what we're on right now, popular memes, favorites, saved, and when you save a meme, select a star and it'll go to your saved, or excuse me, your favorite memes, all that good stuff. So lots of options for you to choose from, lots of memes for you to choose from. And if you go to settings, you have even more options that you can tweak. and basically tweak everything that you see here on the screen. You can also download all the memes on the app to what I believe is your phone's storage device. I wouldn't recommend that because that would take up a lot of space, but that is an option for you to do. So like I said, if you're looking to just do something really quick and simple, you're not big into customizing and all of that, then I would suggest trying out Mordern Meme Maker first. But if you're looking to have more customization options, tweaking the font, all of that good stuff, then I would suggest looking into the meme generator app. Other than that, that's pretty much the high level overview of how to use each app. Like I said, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, you might need to reach out to support. If this video helped you, if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if there's something else that you'd like to see me cover for you, leave that as a suggestion in the comment section below. Otherwise, if there's anything that I forgot to say, I will leave additional information as well as links to download each app in the description box. So be sure to check that if you did make it all the way to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.